Good morning, Leon. How are you today? I hope you are having a bright and cheerful day. I'm actually filming this on Tuesday, so it's a little chilly outside. I don't know what it's like at your house, but I've got my socks on and my long pants and my long sleeve shirt, so I'm just a little chilly. And I had my coffee. It was delicious. So let's get started. Today we are going to do our Wednesday writing, and it looks like this. And it looks like you're practicing loops, which all of cursive is basically loops, but it's in city, face, race, grace, France, place, bicycle, icicle, Sue and Sam live in a nice city. So that's anytime C comes in front of E, I, or Y, it changes to a sound. So you're practicing those C's. And then in phonics today, it says write the clue words. They did the first one for you, so that would be in earth, in bird, were in. So you've just got to write the clue word that goes down with the picture. And then it says on part 2, match the rhyming words. Part 3, write the opposite. So it's a really easy day. If you can't think of opposites, you can look it up online. All right, let's look at our language. It says proper nouns and abbreviations. There's really not a lot of work for you to do today. I'm not going to read this with you because it's a lot of reading. If you're not sure what the abbreviation for something is, look up here on this chart. Like on streets, if you look at streets, avenue is AVE. That's not one we use a lot. Boulevard, BLVD. Circle, CIR period. Court, CT. So I know you're not getting out much, but the next time you have a chance to get out, look at those green street signs that are up on tall poles and see if you see any of these words. A court means it's like a circle. There's no out. It's just a round turnaround. That's how our road, actually our road is not a court because it does go out the other side. It does have a round turnaround circle on it. But if it just has a round turnaround circle, that's court. But anyway, people will use those on envelopes a lot when they're mailing letters because it's too long to write it all out. And a lot of times when they're filling out forms. Titles of people, those are some different ones. Books of the Bible, those are different ones. And states. Now, states are important. At some point in time, you need to learn all of the states. If you don't know, you can just Google in like abbreviation for Mississippi or abbreviation for Texas. But you at least need to know the state that you live in this year, and it's TX. Write the correct abbreviation for each proper noun. So if you don't know what it is, just look up here on this chart and write it down. The next one says read each pair of abbreviations. Fill the circle to the abbreviation that is written correctly. So there's not really much on that. And then on the back, you're just doing independent practice. You have to write the abbreviation for each word. Color in the circle again. And then the next part says write the correct abbreviation for each state. You may look on the chart on page 336 to help you. 336 is in your book, and I did not send that sheet. I didn't realize it was going to be on here. So just Google it. Look up abbreviation for Ohio, abbreviation for Utah, okay? And you can just Google it and find the answers really quick. You can use Elizabeth's phone. No, Mom will be home today. You can use Mom's phone or your computer. And then apply and write. Use abbreviations to answer each question. You do not have to write sentences, but you do have to answer the questions. So write the street that you live on. And use abbreviations. So you live on Brown Street, so you don't abbreviate Brown, but you can abbreviate street. So if you look back on streets, it says the abbreviation for street is ST, but if you live on Brown Lane, it would be LN. So you'll have to find out what street you live on and do the abbreviation for it. The next one says the name of your teacher. I usually go by MS, period, because that can mean married or unmarried, and I just like it. What is today's date? Look up the abbreviation for the month, and when is your birthday? Look and see if your birthday month has an abbreviation. So it's just very quick, very easy stuff today. It's not really stuff that you don't understand, so I'm not going to go over a lot of it. Just do it and whip it out there, big boy. I'll see you for math.